Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna with vegetables. First, ensure you have 1 can of tuna, thoroughly drained, and a selection of fresh vegetables ready. Next, take your chosen vegetables, such as crisp bell peppers, crunchy celery, and a bit of red onion, and chop them into small, manageable pieces. Finally, whisk together 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of zesty Dijon mustard for a delicious dressing base. This quick preparation sets the stage for a delightful meal. Now that your ingredients are prepped, it's time to combine them. Carefully transfer the drained tuna into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add all of your freshly chopped vegetables to the bowl with the tuna. Then, pour the creamy dressing you prepared earlier directly over the entire mixture. Using a spatula, gently fold everything together until the tuna and vegetables are thoroughly and evenly coated with the dressing. This ensures every bite is flavorful. To elevate the flavors, season your tuna and vegetable mixture with about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt. Taste and adjust as needed. For an extra burst of freshness, consider stirring in some finely chopped fresh herbs like parsley or dill. Once seasoned to perfection, your tuna and vegetable mix is ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served on crisp lettuce wraps, with your favorite crackers, or as a hearty sandwich filling. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy, and incredibly easy tuna with vegetables meal, ready in under 15 minutes. This recipe is packed with protein and fresh ingredients, making it perfect for a quick lunch or a light, satisfying dinner. It's a versatile dish that you can customize with your favorite veggies and seasonings. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.